We'll try to cover the maximum follow-ups today. We covered the follow-ups of the first 12 cue cards last time, and we'll cover the follow-ups of the next today. Rajneet, I'll make the student center for the time being, and you'll be the first student to answer my questions. This cue card is describe a short trip that you often take but you do not like. And what are the follow-ups of this? And from the follow-ups, we'll also be making a list of the guesswork of essays. Okay?
Okay.
And one of you will note them down and then share them in the group.
Okay.
Okay? First question. First question to you, Rajneet. I'm muting everybody. I've muted everybody, and the only the person who has to speak will unmute and speak. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Do Indian people like to travel abroad?
Yes, Indian people do like to travel abroad, but it depends upon their financial status too, and who can afford. They at least go once in a year to abroad to have a short trip.
Okay. So, Rajneet, your answer is very good, but this word abroad, it does not carry any preposition before it. Okay. To abroad is
Okay.
wrong. We
Okay.
go to different places, but we never go to abroad. We just go abroad. Okay.
Okay.
No
Okay, ma'am.
preposition before abroad, no preposition before the word home, and no preposition before the word upstairs. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
We go
Okay.
to the school, to the shopping mall, but we never go to home. We go home. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, ma'am.
that is one mistake. Otherwise, it was a very nice answer. How
Okay,
much
ma'am.
time do you think people should spend on a trip abroad?
So on a trip abroad, uh, people can maximally spend like 2 weeks or so,
Okay.
because according to my opinion, there is nothing more than beyond that to see at a place,
Okay.
and
Okay.
within.
Just wait. So let me tell you the mistakes.
Hmm.
Okay. First,
Okay, ma'am.
notice the modal verb in my question. How much time do you think people should spend on a trip abroad? Which is the modal
Should.
verb here?
Should.
Should. And in your answer, you used can.
Okay.
Okay. So whatever modal verb is there in the question, the same modal verb should be there in the answer. Otherwise, the answer will be on the wrong note. आप मैंने
Okay.
पूछा कितना समय करना चाहिए, आप कह रहे हो इतना कर सकते हैं.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear
गलत
me?
हो गया ना? ठीक है.
The okay.
ठीक है. तो
Yes,
आपके
ma'am.
क्वेश्चन में अगर शुड है तो आंसर में बार बार शुड ही आएगा, कैन
Okay,
नहीं
ma'am.
आएगा.
Ma'am,
Okay.
according to my opinion,
हाँ, वो
होता
मैं
है क्या?
I'm
In my
coming
opinion.
on that. I'm coming on that. Okay.
Okay.
सेकेंड मिस्टेक जो आपने करी है वो करी है अकॉर्डिंग टू माई ओपिनियन, अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, अकॉर्डिंग टू माई ओपिनियन इज रॉन्ग इंग्लिश. इसको हम इंडियन इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, हमें पता नहीं चलता, पर ये गलत है. अकॉर्डिंग टू मी गलत होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू हमेशा थर्ड पर्सन होता है. अकॉर्डिंग टू somebody else, according to Mahatma Gandhi, according to my teacher, according to my principal, according to my uncle, according to somebody else, according to
Okay.
me is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
So what
आपने
should
जब
it
भी
be?
बोलना है आपने बोलना है in my opinion या I believe that.
In
Okay.
my opinion, ठीक है,
हाँ.
ma'am.
And how much time do you think people should spend on a trip abroad? It depends, it varies from person to person. Some people like to take short holidays in the whole year. They should spend less time. And some people like to spend, they save money for a trip abroad. And then, it is worthwhile spending some time there. So because
Okay.
going and coming is very expensive as it is.
Expensive.
So once you
Okay.
take out time, it can be as much depending on the person's pocket, depending on the person's holidays he's entitled to from his work. So you can say India is this question is very difficult to answer. It's very difficult to generalize. You can say that it depends.
Okay.
It is a personal choice. It depends from person to person. Some people save money for a trip abroad, then they like to spend a month or 2 months or even more over there. Okay.
Okay.
They spend, they keep spending for years for that one trip. Then it is worthwhile spending some time over there. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So like
Okay.
that you can say. Okay. And some people have to go there on business tours. They should spend only the time that is necessary and come back. Okay. Like
Okay.
that you can say. It depends on the purpose of the trip. It depends on the situation of the person. It depends on so many things. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in my opinion, and second,
I believe that.
I believe.
Okay, in the essay also, don't write in according to me. Okay.
Okay.
Third question is, who prefers traveling abroad, the young or the old?
So both young and old can travel abroad. The youngs, there are so many stuff that could be done in abroad. Like there are beautiful, there is scenic beauty there, and
See, you
there
said
are
in abroad.
attractions.
You said, before I forget, Rajneet,
हम्म,
you said there are so many things they can do in abroad. Abroad से पहले preposition लगा दी फिर आप.
नहीं यानी okay.
ठीक है? They can
There
do
are
abroad. Okay,
they
in
can
a
do
foreign
abroad.
country, but not in abroad. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Okay.
Okay. So ठीक है, you can say both like to travel, but the reasons may be different. Reasons may be different.
Okay.
Okay. Younger, the old prefer, both have their own choices to travel abroad. Reasons may be different. The old people may like to go on religious trips.
Okay.
Okay. The young may like to go on adventure trips and just for plain tourism. Okay.
Okay.
So like that, you can say both like to travel abroad and the reasons may be different. Okay. The
Okay.
reasons may vary.
Okay.
Okay. Which is better for knowing more about a country, traveling or reading books about it?
So both would go hand in hand. By reading books, you just get to know about the main attraction of the place where you can visit. But by getting the live, by going to that place and seeing that place with your own eyes is a different experience, and I believe it would be more mesmerizing.
Okay, so now
Visiting
based
that
on
place.
these questions, there is a guesswork of one of the essays. The essay is that to know more about a place, one should actually visit it. Okay, ये essay है आपकी book में, academic की book में essay है, general में भी similar essay है कि actual visit करना चाहिए जगह को, कि उसके बारे में पढ़ना चाहिए या TV पे देख लेना चाहिए, internet पे. So all these essays जो इस type के हैं, they are the guesswork. Okay. ठीक है?
Ma'am, questions like this, can we start from like straight away? I believe that it is
I
better to
believe
visit
that.
a place and
Yes, you
seeing
can
it
say.
with your own eyes than reading it on book.
Yes.
Reading it
And the
in
question
books.
is, in order to know well about a place, is it necessary to visit there to know the culture and tradition? So well वाले word को मैंने focus करा हुआ है इस essay में कि you can know about the place by reading books, you can know about the place from the TV or the internet, but to know well about the place, it is necessary to visit it.
Okay.
Okay, like that. वो ऐसे है आपकी बुक में. वो गेस वर्क कोई नोट कर रहा है, आप में से अच्छे से नोट बनाना, उसको पिक्चर को पोस्ट कर देना अपने ग्रुप में. Okay, Abdul, your handwriting is very good. You do this.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
girls में भी कोई एक जना करो ये काम साथ साथ. Okay. Okay, next. Who will answer? Abdul, you want a chance to answer the questions?
Ma'am, within 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Just a join.
Okay. So next,
I'll answer, ma'am.
I'll see. Khushbu, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What type of apartment do most people in your country like to live in? So the cue card is describe a place or a person or a home you like to visit, but you don't want to live there. Okay. So now the
Okay.
follow-up questions we are doing. What type of apartment do most people in your country like to live in? What type of apartments? Okay. Do most people?
So,
Yes.
since in my country there is almost a wide range of apartments and homes available. So some people like to live in a bungalow kind of setting, or other people who are living in cities, they usually like to live in high-rise buildings with flats. As the maintenance and living cost in an apartment decreases. Therefore, people living in city usually prefer flats in a high-rise building.
So you are saying, Khushbu, the cost of living in flats, apartment decreases. Does it decrease or is it less?
That means, ma'am, if in a city a person would try to live in a bungalow, then that would cost him or her
Yeah, so
a lot.
you know what you mean to say is that the cost of apartment, living in an apartment, is less, not decreases.
Okay.
Decreases would be over a period of time. See, this funda you have to use in your graph writing also. When you are
Okay.
comparing two things at one time, you cannot use the word increases or decreases. Just 1 second. Okay. So,
It's less.
do people in your country like to invite others as guests?
Yes, of course. It's in our culture to invite relatives or guests. Most of the time during the festival season, or if there is a wedding ceremony or a birthday party, then usually people like to invite guests at home as well.
You can also add in this, Khushbu, you can add that Indians are known for their hospitality. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
And,
Yes.
inviting guests and entertaining them is part of Indian culture and tradition,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
Indians.
okay.
Indians also consider the guest as God, Aditi Deva Bhava.
Yes, Atithi Devo Bhava. Yes, you can use that Hindi and then translate it immediately. Yes, you can
Okay.
say in India, we say Atithi Devo Bhava, which means guest is a god. Okay.
Yes.
Next question is, do people take gifts when they visit each other?
Yes, of course. In India, we usually exchange gifts when we see someone or a relative after a long time. And it's in our culture to gift something whenever one visits to the young ones, which who are just born, and for the first time, if we are going to visit that newborn, then
This question, as I've been abroad 2, 3 times, I've noticed that there, there is a culture that when you just pay a courtesy call, also you carry something for that person. Here,
okay.
we don't have that in our culture. We just give gifts on birthdays or occasions. नॉर्मली अगर आप किसी के घर जाते हो तो आप ये यहाँ पे हमारे कल्चर में इंडिया में नहीं है कि हम कुछ गिफ्ट लेके जाएं. अब थोड़ा थोड़ा जो लोग थोड़ा पता चल गया तो वो थोड़ा करने लग गए हैं ऐसे. बट नॉर्मली हमारे कल्चर में है, आप किसी को मिलने जाते हो तो आप लेके जाते हो कोई केक या कोई पेस्ट्रीज या कुछ भी, कोई चॉकलेट्स या कुछ भी. वहां पे ना ये कल्चर है बाहर. आप जस्ट कर्टसी कॉल भी करने जाते हो ना तो आप कुछ लेके जाते हो. फ्रूट्स
Ma'am, sweets.
हाँ, कोई फ्रूट ले. अब यहाँ पे भी आ गया, या हो सकता है कुछ कल्चर्स में होए. आप बोल सकते हो कि आई जनरली whenever I go to visit my relatives, I usually like to carry some fruit or sweets for them or chocolates for my cousins. Normally people don't do it as a habit. Just visiting, carrying gifts is not there. Okay, but आप इसको ऐसे बोल भी दोगे तो गलत नहीं है. वैसे मैं आपकी just knowledge बढ़ाने के लिए बता रही हूँ, because see, this is common in the Western culture.
Okay.
और वहां पे जाता ही कोई इतनी अपॉइंटमेंट के साथ जाते ही किसी को मिलने जाना इतना फॉर्मल अफेयर हो जाता है वहां पे. चाहे आप आपके कोई रिलेटिव्स भी हैं, आप पता नहीं कितनी अपॉइंटमेंट्स लेके रखते हो पहले कि उस दिन मिलने जाना है उनको. ठीक है.
Okay.
तो रजनीत, आप बाहर हो, आप बता सकते हो ऐसे होता है यहाँ के नहीं?
Ma'am, of course, you can't go to anyone's house without getting prior appointment.
Yes,
हर
and
एक का
get
किसी
appointment
का
कराते
दिन
हो
का
तो
काम है,
कुछ
किसी की
होता ही है
रात की
लेके
शिफ्ट है,
जाना. ठीक है.
कोई
Okay, Khushbu, last question for you. What is the difference between the houses in the city center and the suburbs?
So I see a lot of difference in the houses which are in the outskirts of a city, as they are quite big as compared to the cities, the buildings which are in cities, the houses which are in cities, and they usually have a farmland attached to the bungalow. It's like in city we have high-rise buildings and flats which accommodates lot many people in small area, while in suburbs we have houses which are built on a wide land, and the people living there might be less, but the construction area of the houses are quite big.
Yes, very good. So that's good enough. Okay, next question is the cue card is perfect job you would like to have in the future. And okay, now Abdul, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I will try.
Do you think you want to take up this job? आपने कोई भी job के बारे में बोला है, आपका cue card था describe a perfect job you would like to have in the future. Okay, and the follow-up questions would go like this. Do you think you would like to take up this job?
Yes, of course. Actually, that job is my dream job. So, in future, I would definitely like to go for that job. And
Okay. Which occupations should be given a better pay?
which occupation? So it varies from person to person and from the profession to profession. So I take my example. So I am a engineer. So in my profession, there is if you do masters. So I think it's better to go with master degree and then go for a job. So that's a better option for.
Oh,
Uh,
see, Abdul,
okay.
see, you are
Yes.
digressing from the main question.
Okay.
Okay, the main question is which occupation should be given a better pay? तो आपको सिर्फ ये बोलना है that occupations which serve people, which serve humanity, such as medical occupations and nursing, teaching, okay, and they deserve higher pay. Then you can say even those occupations which involve risk to life, they also deserve high pay, like firefighters, okay. And then you can also say that people who what else, what other jobs do you think should receive higher pay?
Ma'am,
To
army.
entertain us?
Ma'am, we can say that the people who serve the local community, like postman, they
Yes,
work.
and also people who work in our defense services.
Difference, yes, army. ma'am.
Because
Army
of
People who are
pilots,
working in a research.
research also, see, so
researchers.
many occupations deserve a better pay, should be given a better pay.
Okay,
जिनको
ma'am,
पहले
yes.
नहीं मिल रही, सिविल सर्वेंट्स को भी उनकी पे भी बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, so that more and more people want to go into this field, okay.
Yes, yes.
And teachers, doctors, nurses, entertainers, okay,
Okay.
firefighters,
Mhm.
We
rescue,
can say about the postman also.
postman also, yes. तो पर आजकल postman की वैल्यू कम नहीं है, postman देखने को मिलता है, हम तो बहुत देखते हैं,
Ma'am,
But
what
still,
kind of-
postman
but
दिखता है.
but मैम स्टिल आइल्स के लिए तो पोस्टमैन की जरूरत पड़ती है, वो कोरियर से नहीं आता है.
नहीं, कुरियर वाले people आ गए आजकल.
मैम आइल्स की मार्कशीट तो इंडियन पोस्ट से ही आएगी.
नहीं, कुरियर से आती है,
हाँ, कुरियर से आती है ma'am.
इंडियन
और
पोस्ट नहीं आती.
मैम पासपोर्ट के लिए फिर इंडियन पोस्ट चाहिए, वो नहीं कोरियर से आएगा.
कुरियर से आ रहा है आजकल, फेडेक्स से.
FedEx से आती है.
दिल्ली में तो मैम इंडियन पोस्ट ही आता है.
अच्छा, ओके.
और वो कमीशन भी लेके जाता है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
वो कहता है मुबारक हो जी, पासपोर्ट आया आपका.
ओके, अब्दुल, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बीइंग रिच अ गुड थिंग? अच्छा, ये जो पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिया उसके बेस पे देयर इज एन एसे कि एंटरटेनर्स एंड स्पोर्ट्समैन को बहुत ज्यादा पैसे दिए जाते हैं, इज इट गुड टू गिव देम लॉट ऑफ मनी? ये जीटी का एसे है. एंड व्हिच ऑक्यूपेशंस डिजर्व मोर पे? तो ये एग्जैक्टली इस क्वेश्चन के बेस पे उस एसे को मैं गेस वर्क में डालूंगी. सो जीटी स्टूडेंट्स भी नोट कर लें और एकेडमिक भी नोट कर लें. ये ऐसे सिमिलर ऐसे एकेडमिक में भी है, ठीक है.
एंटरटेनर और
एंटरटेनर्स और ये जो स्पोर्ट्समैन है, इनको बहुत हाई पे दी जाती है. कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि इनकी हाई पे जस्टिफाइड नहीं है. डू यू एग्री और डिसएग्री? या ऐसा ऐसे है, या फिर ऐसा ऐसे है कि कौन सी अदर प्रोफेशंस है जिनको हाई पे देने चाहिए, ठीक है. तो ये सारे एसेस गेस वर्क में आ जाते हैं, ठीक है. एंड अगला जो क्वेश्चन है, इज बीइंग रिच अ गुड थिंग? तो ये जो रिच वाला एक ऐसे है, रिच पुअर वाला, दैट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट बीइंग रिच इज दैट इट गिव्स यू एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू हेल्प द पुअर. ये ऐसे है आपकी एकेडमिक बुक में, ये गेस वर्क है. और वैसे भी सारे रिच पुअर के ऐसे गेस वर्क हैं, ठीक है.
ओके मैम.
रिच पुअर वाले सारे ऐसे. और ये जो डू यू थिंक पीपल शुड सेव फॉर द फ्यूचर, अगला क्वेश्चन है, इसमें भी है कि लोग कहते हैं कि सारा आज खर्च देना चाहिए, कुछ कहते हैं कल के लिए बचाना चाहिए. सो दैट एसे इज आल्सो गेस वर्क, ओके. तो ये जो मनी मैटर्स वाले एसेज है ना, इनको गेस वर्क मान लेना बेस्ड ऑन दीज फीडबैक, ओके. Okay. Next question, Abdul, for you is being rich a good thing?
Yes, of course. I think being a rich is a very good thing. Actually, number of people are work really hard to become a very successful and a rich man. The benefits of being a rich is you can, uh, uh, help and serve to a society, your society, and you can help people who are in need, and and so many different things. Yes.
Yes. So आपका ना अब्दुल और कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, बीच में एक्स्ट्रा आ रहे थे, being a rich
Mhm.
गलत हो जाता है, being rich.
Being
Okay?
rich.
Being a successful, नहीं आना चाहिए. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Do you think people should save for the future?
Yes, of course. People should save the money for future. I can take this current example of Corona COVID-19 pandemic. So in that, the people who saved money, so in the lockdown, they use their money to to fulfill their needs and
Good.
to
You can
satisfy.
add examples like this in your answer to make your answer lengthy. Very good, Abdul. You're on
Yes,
the right
yes,
track. What makes a
yes.
person choose a job apart from the pay it offers?
What more?
What makes a person choose a job apart from the pay it offers? Now, this also is a question. What factors contribute to job satisfaction? Okay, so ये question भी GT की book में है, job वाले essays में, और वैसे भी job वाला क्यू कार्ड है, तो all job essays important है. Okay, do all the job essays in a way they all become important. And last question to you is, what makes a person choose a job apart from the pay it offers?
Apart from the pay, if the person is passionate about his or her work, so it's beneficial to that person to work in a
So what is the factor's name of the factor?
uh, name of the factor.
Job satisfaction. It's, see, pay is one thing. Job
Yes.
satisfaction. Okay. Good
Yes,
job.
yes, yes.
Chances of promotion.
Yes.
Incentives,
Job satisfaction,
appreciation, motivation.
appreciation, motivation.
Surrounding.
Yes.
Mhm.
Perks, medical benefits.
All those
Mhm.
things you have to say.
Experience,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Status
Mhm.
in society.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So those
Yes,
Job
ma'am.
status.
okay. Now the next
Thank
Good
you, ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
good morning. Good morning.
Ma'am, Dheeraj here.
Yes, Dheeraj. Okay. Describe a time you encourage someone to do something that he or she didn't want to do. This is a cue card and the follow-ups. Now we are doing the follow-ups, and the follow-ups are,
Hello,
and who's
ma'am.
going to answer them?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Let me see. Okay. Arjumand. आना है कि नहीं आगे?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Who is that?
Okay, ma'am. This is Zubair Ahmad. Good morning,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, okay. You want to answer the questions?
Which one, ma'am?
अभी जो मैं पूछूंगी.
Yes. Okay, yes, of course.
Okay. और पहली बात, आप ना आगे से अपने नेम के साथ लॉग इन करना. आपका
Okay,
नंबर
ma'am.
आ रहा है. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. How could leaders encourage their employees? How could leaders encourage their group members? Leaders है तो employees है. Okay. How could leaders encourage their employees? बोलो.
Actually, the leader can encourage their employees very much because I think they can give the good motivation to them, and they can encourage them by telling about the freedom fighters and the lot of things which they have done, the people who fought for the countries here. So by saying this, they can encourage them.
Okay. So how can leaders encourage their employees? They can encourage by giving them incentives. They can encourage their employees in many ways. Okay, you can speak like that. So all that. And there is going to be some disturbance. So I'm going to put on the headphone, and I hope their disturbance will be less after this. And let me know if the disturbance is okay. 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 How can leaders encourage their employees? You can say by giving incentives. और बताओ बाकी बच्चे ideas दो क्या कर सकते हैं?
By praising them,
motivating them,
By appreciating their
encouraging
work.
them,
By motivating them.
by
bonus,
celebrating
promotion, they will give promotion and
by celebrating their
encouraging them,
success,
By by making employee of the month or something, by giving them some
By giving some good
benefits,
qualities.
star performance
bonus.
okay,
By
okay,
acknowledging
okay.
their work.
So the next
Acknowledging their
question is, do you think some people are better at persuading others? Just रूप नोरा को दे दे मुझे, नोरा मुझे दे दे, मैं उठा लूँ. She'll stop. Okay. So, do you think some people are better at persuading others? My question is this. Do you
Can
think
I
some
answer, ma'am?
people are better at persuading others?
can I answer?
We can't hear you. Can other people hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, चलो बोलो फिर, बोलो. हाँ. बोलो. Is anybody answering this question?
मैम persuading का मतलब क्या है?
Persuading होता
Ma'am,
है
can I
किसी को
answer it?
persuade करना, कुछ
राजी
करने के
करना।
लिए, मतलब
convincing,
उत्साहित करना कुछ करने के लिए. Okay,
convincing,
motivate
ma'am.
करना. हाँ, बोलो.
Can I answer, ma'am?
Dheeraj, okay, you
हाँ जी, ma'am.
answer. Hmm?
Yes. In my perspective, many persons have great convincing power as they are good at communication and they are having a great oratory skill. In addition to it, they are capable to set a role model. So this in this way they can convince other people very easily.
Yes, very nice.
Nice.
What kind of encouragement should parents give to children?
I think parents can motivate their children by setting an example, and apart from it, they can give them the certain incentives, such as they can make the promise: if you get the good score in your examination, I will get you your favorite mobile phone. And in other ways, they can take them out for the outing also.
Yes, yes. Okay, very nice, Dheeraj. You're answering beautifully. Okay.
Then you have to check the intonation.
Intonation is pretty good. I don't find any problem in that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When should parents encourage their children?
Actually, it depends upon the age of the children, and in my perspective, the parents should encourage the children while they are becoming mature, because it is the age when they are capable to make the independent decision.
No, no. The answer should be when they do well in the exams, when they get.
Okay.
इस way में answer आना चाहिए बेटे. ठीक है? तो when should parents encourage children? Na? When they do well at something, when they achieve something, when they do, that is the time parents should encourage. Okay? When they help in the household chores, they should be encouraged. Okay? That they are doing a good job. You can say anything. आप बच्चों को कैसे encourage कर सकते हैं ना? कब करना है encourage, उसका है point. और कैसे करना है encourage, उसका है point. ठीक है, और किस तरह की encouragement parents को देनी है, उसका है points. Parents can give small gifts to children, something the children need, they can give that. Okay, so like that you can say. ठीक है? Okay. Next set of questions is the cue card is a decision made by others, someone that you disagreed with. Dheeraj, there is no problem in your intonation. Okay. अब थोड़ा ज्यादा fast है, थोड़ा सा fast है, थोड़ा सा slow कर सकते हो, so that you don't run short of ideas and you get time to think while you are speaking. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
That is it. That is all you need. You are speaking perfectly fine. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Okay. Next questions are to Moniksha. Moniksha, are you there? Moniksha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this set of questions is to you. The first question. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry, don't worry. Don't worry. Try answering. If you can't answer,
Yes.
I'll ask somebody else. Okay.
Yes,
What skills are necessary when making decisions? पहले ये बताओ, आपको क्वेश्चन समझ आ गया? What skills अब बोलो. What skills are necessary when making decisions?
मुझे
मुझे बोलना में तकलीफ पड़ती है।
कोई बात नहीं, आप एक दो लाइन बोलो, मैं किसी और को ट्रांसफर कर दूंगी। एंड डोंट हेजिटेट, दिस इज अ वेरी
Ma'am,
गुड
may I answer
प्लेटफॉर्म।
this question?
हु इज स्पीकिंग?
Jaspreet.
रणमीत लिखा आ रहा है, जसप्रीत। हेलो हेलो, एक मिनट, मैं सबको एक बार म्यूट कर रही हूँ। हाँ, अच्छा, अब बोलो किसने आंसर करना है? चलो, हु वांट्स टू आंसर? मे आंसर।
Ma'am, can I go?
ओके,
Jaspreet, ma'am.
हाँ, जसप्रीत बोलो।
Acha, okay,
हाँ,
Jaspreet, go ahead.
जसप्रीत, what
No
skills are
problem.
necessary when making decisions?
As per my opinion, self-satisfaction and self-interest is very necessary to for this.
सेल्फ सेटिस्फैक्शन फॉर मेकिंग अ डिसीजन। आपने कोई डिसीजन लेना है कि आपको आपको यहाँ जाना है कि नहीं जाना, आपको ये करना है कि नहीं करना, आपको कुछ खरीदना है कि नहीं खरीदना, आपको कुछ बनाना है, क्या बनाना है, मतलब कोई भी डिसीजन है, उसके लिए क्या स्किल्स चाहिए?
Proper analytical
Ma'am, can I
skills, ma'am.
To be in
Ma'am,
self.
aim.
आप
Ma'am,
देखो कि
decision
आपको
making
ये
Can
देखना
I?
है कि वो डिसीजन की क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ दैट डिसीजन, ये देखनी
Proper
पड़ेगी, सोचना पड़ेगा,
analysis करना पड़ता है, ma'am.
प्रॉपर
first we have to
एनालिसिस है,
Proper.
और आपका
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
डिसीजन आप लेते हो उसका फार रीचिंग कॉन्सिक्वेंस क्या हो सकता है?
Consequence.
You can take a preference from your
Read
past
novels.
experience.
Yes,
first we look
yes,
at pros and cons also.
yes, you should know what are the
People
going
with
to
read
be the
novels.
benefits and drawbacks of that. You should be able to think far. That is a
He
skill.
should have future
And take
insight.
advice
Yes.
from expertise in that particular area.
Advice from experts, not expertise. Expertise
Okay.
is people are experts. Advice किससे लोगे? लोगों से जो experts हैं, ठीक है? Those who have
Yes.
expertise in that field, you can take help. So what skills are needed for good decision making? The skills to think far and about the consequences of your decisions, you can say that. And you can also say skills, to judge who could give you that decision better. Okay, a good decision needs
And to be at your calm and to be in
yes.
senses would also be one of the things.
Pardon? What?
To be calm while you are making any decision, and to
Yes,
be in your
yes.
senses is also one of the
Yes,
very
yes, because every decision, see, some decisions are very small decisions which may not have any effect on anybody. You have to think whether that decision would affect somebody, some third person. Okay, and then you have to think accordingly whether that decision would be good or bad in the long run. Okay, next question is, how can people improve their decision making skills? Yes, Mishika. Jaspreet, you are answering. Just yes.
Ma'am,
हाँ, बोलो.
repeat the question.
Question
Ma'am,
is,
please.
how can people improve their decision making skills?
As per my opinion, people can improve their decision making skills by helping from the others, and some get idea from the social sites and
By taking help
um,
of others, by getting ideas from social sites. थोड़ा sentence का
sites.
structure
Yes.
है, ठीक है? And also by
Okay.
experience. By experience, by making decisions, getting some decisions wrong, then your experience accumulates and you can learn, you can improve your decision making skills. You may make a decision in a haste and it may end up wrongly, and then you decide, oh, I should have thought better. So you get experience from your own mistakes. Okay, and you
Okay,
can
ma'am. Okay,
become
okay.
better at those decisions. How do you think computers will change the way people make decisions?
How do you think people?
How do you think computers will change the way people make decisions?
Uh, I believe that computer may helps the people to make a decision, because there are lots of information is available. People can get right information to decide whatever they want. So these are very helpful as technology has been changed.
Technology has changed everything.
Yeah.
Has been changed नहीं, टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं
Okay,
बदली
ma'am.
गई, टेक्नोलॉजी ने बदला है. टेक्नोलॉजी यहाँ पे एज ए सब्जेक्ट है तो पैसिव नहीं जाएगा. टेक्नोलॉजी हैज बीन चेंज विल बी रॉन्ग. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
technology. But आप इसमें ऐसे नहीं बोल सकते that people, when people are in a dilemma, they can post their dilemma on social sites and they get many replies. People do
Ma'am, then
reply.
should
Quora
it
में
be
डालो आप कोई
internet?
question. हाँ
It should be internet. Computer तो
हाँ
वो हो
वैसे
गया
हाँ
ना।
है तो है, बट बेसिकली क्वेश्चन वैसे तो कंप्यूटर तो बिल्कुल वैसे तो कुछ भी नहीं हेल्प करेगा कंप्यूटर.
Ma'am, may I answer this question, please? Parminder
Yes.
here.
हाँ जी परमिंदर करो आंसर.
Actually, one point we can say with computer, because the artificial intelligence technology has changed the computer system to help the people while taking a decision.
For example.
One can easily analyze the pros and cons of a trend, so it will help that person to take a decision which side he or she should go. So
Very
this
good.
way, artificial intelligence has changed people's life in a broad way.
But basically artificial intelligence is internet. Okay. Or you can feed things in the computer.
No,
There are
actually,
certain apps on which
it is artificial intelligence is a technology.
Yes.
It is a programming in computer which has been made, and it goes in that way that people can take the decision whether which is good thing. It is
Okay.
programming.
But it
So programming is all about computer system. That is the difference between the internet, social sites, and the computer.
Okay.
but without internet, artificial intelligence is not going to work.
Yes.
Basically it is interconnected only. So अगर
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
computer
It
को
is
yes,
question
they
है
are
कि
interconnection
you can,
between the
interconnected.
yeah, you
yeah.
Yes,
can
obviously.
say anything. Okay, just speak something
Yes,
over there if you get the
obviously.
question. And and you know it is ये है कि बच्चों को बहुत इंडिपेंडेंस दी जाती है, बच्चों को डिसीजंस खुद लेने चाहिए कि पेरेंट्स को हेल्प करनी चाहिए. ये वाले एसेज हैं जीटी में भी और एकेडमिक में भी. प्लीज डू दोज एसेज डिसीजंस वाले कि who should take the decisions for children, should they themselves decide or should parents help them. तो ये ऐसे ऐसे हैं, should parents decide the free time activities or should children decide themselves. ये वाले जो essays है ना, ये इन follow up से मैं इनको guess work में मान रही हूँ. ठीक है ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके अगला क्वेश्चन देखो.
मैम कौन सा बोला आपने गेस वर्क का अभी?
जो पेरेंट्स डिसीजन लेके बच्चे खुद डिसीजंस लें, ऐसे essays हैं आपकी बुक्स में. ओके. Should parents decide the free time activities. तो मेरा अगला क्वेश्चन सुनो. Okay, do parents in India allow their children to make important decisions about the future? Do parents in India allow their children to make important decisions about the future? Who is answering this? Just you are answering?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, go ahead. Yes.
Ma'am, may I start?
Yes, Sarthak.
Yes, ma'am. In content, if we see the recent era, that nowadays students and the people are more aware about their career and their what they want to do in their future. So I think but apart from that, nowadays people apart from that, we are more dependent on our parents. So maximum decisions have been taken from our parents side. But yes, this is changing by increasing the awareness in society.
So you can say that do parents in India allow their children to make important decisions about the future? You can say parents in India do dominate their children yet, but times are changing and situations are changing, and parents do listen to their children now. If they have to take decisions regarding their career, parents do allow their children to go into the career of their choice. They do try to impose themselves also, but they also listen to children. Things are changing now. तो बिल्कुल पूरा भी नहीं है कि पेरेंट्स पूरा अलाउ करते हैं. बच्चे अगर बोले आपको, सपोजिंग आपका बच्चा आपको बोले कि मुझे तो कंप्यूटर गेमिंग करनी है, यही मेरा फ्यूचर है, यही मैंने इसी में अपना करियर बनाना है, तो जो पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता है इसके बारे में, इसके फ्यूचर के बारे में, वो एकदम अलाउ कर देंगे कि बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं पहले डॉक्टर बन या इंजीनियर बन, फिर सोचना गेमिंग का.
Ma'am, I think it depends on age also, in which
ये
age you are.
यस. और अगर 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 बच्चा कोई बोले कि मुझे यहीं पे शादी करनी है, तो पेरेंट्स एकदम इंडिया में अलाउ कर देते हैं.
नहीं
तो इम्पोर्टेंट डिसीजन तो करियर के या शादी के ही हैं, उसमें तो
Yes.
अभी तो पेरेंट्स पूरा इंटरफियर करते हैं इसमें।
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Even
ma'am.
not at this age, we are
हाँ
allowed to take decision on that.
हाँ तो
But
आप बोलो
especially
no,
related to
no,
marriage.
हाँ तो बोलो no,
Yes.
not yet, but things are changing. Maybe in big cities parents have started, but they are not yet completely changed in that respects, and parents do not allow their children to make important decisions about their career and their life partner yet. They do try to interfere in that. Okay,
Yes,
but
like we struggling.
if children are too adamant, then parents give in sometimes, but they do try to impose themselves. ठीक है?
Right, ma'am.
Okay, next आप कर सकते हो. Next question है, do you think parents should make important decisions for their children?
Yes, but yes, parents should take an important decision for our children. But this is for some extent of age. Means if students are in class 10 and they want to go in the science side, and but parents are forcing to take take a art side, so it depends on. It is not going to be right eventually, because if students are not
Going
having
out.
interest,
So
so
आप इसमें ऐसे आंसर बोल देना, ये आपका थोड़ा लंबा और कंफ्यूजिंग जा रहा था. You can just say that parents should have a healthy discussion with their children.
Yes,
And
ma'am, I want to say this.
yes, parents should have a healthy discussion with their children, and they should try to talk out their viewpoint with their children. But if the children still are adamant about their decision, then parents should be flexible and listen to their children also. They should
okay,
listen,
ma'am.
because see,
Ma'am,
today,
I want to ask something.
yes,
मीन्स मैम पेरेंट्स को अपना डिसीजन मतलब चिल्ड्रन पे थोपना नहीं चाहिए, मतलब इसको हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं?
parents should not impose their decisions on their children. Okay?
Imposed.
Impose,
Okay, ma'am.
imposed नहीं, impose. Okay?
Impose.
हाँ,
Okay,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
should आ गया ना, देखो modal verbs के बाद कभी भी verb का second form नहीं आएगा.
Okay, ma'am.
First form ही आएगा. Should impose. They should not impose. Imposed नहीं आ सकता.
They should not impose. Okay.
हाँ, they should not force their children. Simple भी बोल सकते हो. They should not force their children to do what they want. Okay?
And try to discuss their ideas with their children before making any decision.
Yes, they should treat their children like friends, have a healthy discussion with them, guide them accordingly.
Okay.
Right? That way.
Right, ma'am.
If they are able to talk sense into their children, तो उनको लगता है कि I'm talking sense into my child. ठीक है?
Yes.
Then you know, they should try to have a healthy discussion with their children so that the children understand them. But if they'll force themselves, then children will become rebels. They will not listen to them.
Rebels means
rebellion. मतलब विद्रोह
rebellion.
कर लो जो
Okay, ma'am. Arrogant. Okay.
Stubborn हो जाएंगे, arrogant हो जाएंगे. Okay?
Yes.
Like that. Okay. The next cue card is describe a time when you.
Can I do now?
Yes.
Parminder.
हाँ, Parminder. Describe a time when you felt bored. Okay. Describe a time when you felt bored. उसके follow ups हैं. When do people feel bored? Yes, Parminder.
Well, I believe it depends upon the person to person and the age of a person. In my opinion, the old people are usually feeling bored when they when they are not sitting with their companion, or there is no friend circle around them. And if I'm talking about the youngsters, if their friends are not available to them, or if they are sitting alone in their home, so they feel bored at that time.
अच्छा, पहली बात तो परमिंदर, जब भी आपने फील वर्ड यूज करना है ना, फीलिंग, उसके बाद ईडी फॉर्म आएगा. फील बोर गलत हो जाएगा, 3-4 बार बोल दिया. फील बोर्ड आएगा, हमेशा डी के साथ आएगा.
ओके, ठीक है.
हाँ, ठीक है, ये बस ध्यान रखना. फील के बाद हमेशा ईडी फॉर्म होता है, और किसी चीज की क्वालिटी बतानी है तो इंग फॉर्म होता है. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Okay, so you can say boredom is I would say boredom is a state of mind. आजकल तो लोगों के पास इतना कुछ है कि अगर वो चाहे अपने अंदर से कि वो बोर नहीं हो तो नहीं हो सकते, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. फोन उठा के व्हाट्सएप पे ही चैटिंग कर लें, फेसबुक कर लें, गेम ठीक है। सो
इंस्टाग्राम कर ले मैं।
जैसे हाँ देखो, हैप्पीनेस इज ए स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, ऐसे ही मैं तो बोलूंगी बोर्डम इज ऑल्सो ए स्टेट ऑफ माइंड। ठीक है, यू हैव सो मे इफ यू हैव हॉबीज यू कैन नेवर फील बोर्ड. If you have a hobby of reading a book, you can never feel bored. If you have a hobby of watching TV, watching movies, you can never feel bored. Okay. So it's, I think boredom is also a state of mind. But boredom is from monotony. Boredom होता है वही काम बार बार करके एकदम boredom set in हो जाता है. ठीक है. So if you have change in life, okay, then you don't feel bored. Okay. What can people do when they feel bored? Next question. Parminder.
Well, I believe to get away from the boredom, one should pursue their hobbies. Many people are
Can
not.
Or should इकट्ठे नहीं लगाने.
Okay.
Okay. हाँ.
Okay. One can pursue their hobbies.
Many people are not. One minute, Parminder. आप बहुत तेज बोलते हो, उस चक्कर में आपको पता नहीं चलता आपकी गलतियां हो रही हैं और फिर बैन नहीं आएंगे इस तरह से. थोड़ा स्लो बोलो. ठीक है. One can pursue their hobbies. One के बाद their आ सकता है. One can pursue their hobby. Their आ सकता है one के बाद. बताओ.
No.
हाँ. तो one मैं हूँ. मैं किसी और की hobbies pursue कर सकती हूँ. हाँ. So one can pursue one's hobbies.
Okay. One can pursue one's hobby. Okay.
हाँ. People can pursue their hobbies. अगर आपने their बोलना तो people कर दो पहले. है ना? तो
people can pursue their hobbies. This is right.
Yes. See, your sentences are going grammatically incorrect. Small things, small mistakes, but they pile up. Okay? तो फिर overall 7+ नहीं जाएंगे ना. आप 7 वाला बोल रहे हो, confidence आपका 7+ वाला है, पर ये grammatical errors पे आपका work करना है. ठीक है? हाँ, you have to reduce them. ठीक है?
People can pursue their hobbies to get away from boredom.
Yes.
Because today in turbulence life, no one can actually involve in their hobbies. So boredom is a very like by
okay.
this.
Today in turbulence life, turbulence क्या होती है?
Means like fast going life.
तो turbulent है ना? Turbulence तो एक noun हो गया. Life के साथ जोड़ रहे हो तो फिर आपको adjective की तरह use करना है. तो turbulent life करो.
Turbulent life, yeah.
है ना? तो turbulence life गलत हो जाएगा. ठीक है? Turbulent life. तो आगे क्या बोला था आपने?
Like one can indulge himself by planting trees.
Yes, one can have varied hobbies and one can never feel bored. You know? आपको पता है जिनको प्लांट गार्डनिंग का शौक है, आप कभी उनसे बात करो. जिनको सच में शौक है वो कहते हैं हम तो अपने प्लांट से बातें करते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. Me here.
So
yes.
Yes. जैसे अच्छा आज फूल नहीं दिखाया, फूल आना चाहिए था आज भाई. What happened?
No. Some people take it like a psyche, na? They are mad people. They are talking to the flowers and.
No, they are not mad. Okay, they are passionate about their hobby of gardening.
Oh, thank you so much for considering this positive.
Yes, this is a hobby. Okay, it's positive. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
And do people get bored about daily routines? Next question, Parminder.
Well, I believe yes. I think this is a human tendency. People get bored by doing the same activities day after day. And the best idea to get away this boredom is do something extra or do something fusion in these daily activities by including their children in their activities or by taking help from their companions.
आपने अच्छा बोला है, सोच के बोला है. Grammatical error. आपने बोला get bored. वहाँ पे भी bored ही आना है. Get bored.
Okay,
ठीक है. बाकी कोई गलती नहीं आई थी, बाकी ठीक बोला. ठीक है. Is it easier for younger people to feel bored than for the old?
Well, I don't believe in this aspect because, as I said, that boredom is a state of mind, and no one can feel bored if he or she indulge himself in other activities.
If he or she indulges. Okay.
As if I'm talking about today's era, technology is so much advanced and is cheapest, and one can easily available and buy it. So I think
one can easily avail it.
Okay? Avail it.
टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी एडवांस, ये गलत है,
Advanced.
इसको करेक्ट करो.
Technology.
टेक्नोलॉजी इज वेरी एडवांस बोला है.
We have a today's is a advanced technology.
एडवांस्ड डी.
Advanced. Okay.
ओके, आपके डीज खा रहे हो एंड वाले, ठीक है.
ठीक है
हाँ,
बस मैम यही करेक्शन करना है मैम.
हाँ, ये आपको करेक्शन करना है, बस इट विल गो अ लॉन्ग वे. ओके, इट विल रियली हेल्प यू गो 7+. आप इसको बस फाइट कर लो, इस मिस्टेक. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. हु इज वॉलंटियरिंग?
Jaskaran.
Jaskaran. Describe a time when you had to sing a song or a poem in front of public. और इसके follow-ups हैं. Do teenagers and adults enjoy the same kind of songs? Do teenagers and adults enjoy the same kind of songs?
Actually, it depends on the teenagers or adults. Ma'am, can you repeat the question, please, again?
My question is, do teenagers and adults enjoy the same kind of songs?
No, both enjoy the different kinds of songs because of their age. Teenagers enjoy the songs that are full of passion, high pitched sound. On the other hand, the adults enjoy the songs which have meanings, and sometimes according to their feelings or according to their mind, they listen the different kind of songs.
So it's a matter of personal choice, but generally speaking, young people or teenagers like songs with fast beats on which they can dance. Okay, and adults, older people like songs with good lyrics and soft music. Okay, what are the factors that make people like a song? Next question hai, what are the factors? Let her answer.
There are many factors. There are many factors. People like the songs. The lyrics are very important. The lyrics, music, lyrics, music, and even today's era, video is very important. If the video is related to the lyrics, people love to enjoy that. Enjoy to listen that songs.
Yes, very good. On which occasions do people in your country sing together? On which अच्छा, म्यूजिक वाले सारे जो आपके हैं ना ऐसे, वो सारे इंपॉर्टेंट है, उनको नोट कर लो. ऑल एसेज जिनमें म्यूजिक वर्ड है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं म्यूजिक इज ओनली फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट, कुछ लोग कहते हैं म्यूजिक के और बड़े रोल्स हैं, ये ऐसे इंपॉर्टेंट है, नोट इट एज ए गेस वर्क. ओके ओके. On which occasions, your question, Jaskaran, on which occasions do people in your country sing together?
Sing together. The different occasions like marriages. There are many celebration in the marriage. People come together and sing songs related to the marriage. The marriage is boy or girl.
Okay.
And they also sing song on the like different festivals, Diwali.
Okay, somebody has put up in the comment section that voice of the singer. Yes, I would say it's a very good point. Voice of the singer is very important. So, you want to say something? Okay.
Yes,
next
ma'am.
question. Yes, हाँ बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन
बेटे ये सेट होने दो, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन मैं आपसे सुनती हूँ. अच्छा.
यस मैम, यस मैम.
Which kind of songs are suitable for children and why? Jaskaran, which kind of songs are suitable?
These songs are suitable for children, like rhymes and the songs in which children participate in the videos.
You can say for folk songs are very important, suitable for children, because they will teach about the culture and tradition. Folk songs में culture और tradition छुपी होती है, ये तो पता है ना आपको?
Yes.
Okay, so you can say they are more suitable for children. You can say nursery rhymes are suitable because they teach, nursery rhymes जो है ना, ये बच्चों को इंग्लिश, जैसे इंग्लिश की नर्सरी राइम्स हो, इंग्लिश सिखा देती हैं और बच्चे जनरली सही इंग्लिश बोलने लग जाते हैं इफ दे जस्ट कीप रिसाइटिंग। अब जैसे आपको सिंपल वो था ना, वेयर हैव यू बीन, आप कहाँ से होके आए हो, बीन इज वापस आ गए हो, ठीक है। तो उसमें है कि गॉन और बीन का डिफरेंस आ जाता है। गॉन इज ऑल समवेयर, माय पेरेंट्स हैव गॉन टू कनाडा, मेरे पेरेंट्स अभी कनाडा हैं, माय पेरेंट्स हैव बीन टू कनाडा मींस वहां से जाके वापस आ गए हैं, ठीक है।
Okay.
हाँ
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Can I speak?
Yes, yes. Do you often like to sing? Last question to Jaskaran. Do you often like to sing?
Yes, I often sing songs because I love songs. Most of the time, I am a when I am feel bored, I always play songs on the TV and sing.
I am feel bored बोला आपने Jaskaran, वो गलत है. When I am bored,
Ma'am,
I feel bored. या दोनों में से एक word use करो. When I am bored या when I feel bored. Okay?
Okay.
Am
Okay.
feel दोनों गलत हो जाता है, ठीक है? Jaskaran, are you really a good singer?
Not really. I'm not a good singer,
But I like to sing. But I like to hum because I like music. You can say like that. Okay? You can say like that.
And it breaks my
Monotony.
monotony. And when I drive the car.
Monotony. ठीक है। तो मेरे हस्बैंड एक बात सुनाते हैं, जनरल सर्जन है, तो मेडिकल कॉलेज में ना इनके हॉस्टल में, जो हॉस्टल के एंड पे कमरे होते हैं, बाथरूम्स होते हैं इकट्ठे, आपने पता नहीं ऐसे हॉस्टल्स हैं आजकल के, आजकल अटैच्ड बाथरूम्स वाले चल पड़े हैं। हमारे टाइम पे तो ऐसे थे कि हमारे रूम्स होते थे कॉरिडोर में और एंड में जाके 4-5 बाथरूम्स इकट्ठे होते थे, वहां सब सुबह नहाते थे। तो ऊपर से खाली होते थे, सुन जाती थी आवाज। और बड़ी जोक वाली बात है, तो एक मेरे हस्बैंड बता रहे हैं कि somebody was singing in the room, bathroom, पानी में जले मेरा गोरा बदन। and everybody knew that he had a very dark complexion. तो दूसरे बाथरूम से ना उसका दोस्त आता है, धीरे धीरे बोल कोई सुन ना ले। तो जस्ट एज ए जोक, तो ऐसी बातें, बाथरूम सिंगर्स तो सभी हैं, है ना, बाथरूम है तो सभी गा लेते हैं। ओके नेक्स्ट बताइए। हाँ जी
मैम, मेरी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स काफी हैं या ओके हैं?
हैं, ओके
है,
एम फील बोर्ड है, बट ये है कि 6 से कम वाली नहीं है आपकी स्पीकिंग, 7 वाली नहीं है बिकॉज ऑफ दोज एरर्स। ओके, तो आप थोड़ी उनको, आप इंट्रो सेट्स पे फोकस ज्यादा करोगे ना तो आपकी ग्रामर करेक्ट हो जाएगी, ठीक है।
ओके,
ग्रामर बहुत काम।
I also have one question.
Yes.
In the whenever we speak the answer, sometimes we use so is this the right?
Yes, you can say that. It's a way of speaking. It should look okay. Force in नहीं करना, बार बार नहीं बोलना। कभी अगर बोला जाता है तो it's okay. ठीक है, हर आंसर में नहीं।
Ma'am, I have heard that when we give a speaking test, we should not ask them questions like, really this thing is going well. So why do we do why so we can do this or anything like that.
नहीं, वो क्वेश्चंस तो एग्जामिनर ने पूछने हैं ना, आपने नहीं पूछने।
Like we cannot include those kind of sentences in our.
नहीं, you can include rhetoricals.
Right, like
but rhetorical include करने के लिए ना बेटे, आपको बहुत you should have a very good hold over your English, and it should be like you can just do normal conversation in English for, you can say, hours. So only those type of students can add rhetoricals without making them seem odd.
Like we can say that this is quite easy then that way. So why to do that hard part?
So आप कह सकते
why
हो
to do that hard part? So can we include those kind of sentences or not?
So you can if it is, you see the way, if you add it and it looks odd, don't speak like that. I advise against rhetoricals to my students. Generally writing में भी गलत ले जाते हैं और speaking में भी गलत ले जाते हैं, तो मैं तो नहीं एडवाइस करूंगी उनको डालना।
मैम क्रिकेटर्स बहुत यूज करते हैं, मींस जब जो क्रिकेट मींस मैच के बाद सेरेमनी होती है तो वहां पे वो अपनी चीजें बताते हैं कि क्या क्या चीजें हमने की थी मैच में, और क्योंकि जो क्वेश्चन पूछता है उसको भी पता रहता है वो सारी चीजें, तो वहां पे वो यूनो काफी बार यूज करते हैं।
हाँ पर आप
मैम
अपना
गोरे बहुत यूज करते हैं, यू नो।
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं, आप एक आध बार यूज हो जाए, नेचुरल लगना चाहिए, यू नो व्हाट यू
Yes.
स्पीक शुड कम नेचुरल फ्रॉम यू, आई मीन इट शुड नॉट लुक फोर्स्ड इन। अब बच्चे ना मोर ओवर और फर्दर मोर जब भी बोलते हैं ना, तब मुझे पता चलता है कि इनको किसी ने बताया हुआ है ये वर्ड डालने हैं, तो वो डालते हैं उन वर्ड्स को और वो अजीब लगते हैं। आई वुड नेवर यूज द वर्ड मोर ओवर फर्दर मोर स्पीकिंग में, ओके? बड़े they look forced in at places, most places 80% of the time they look forced in, कि जैसे इनको मोर ओवर फर्दर मोर किसी ने बताया हुआ है कि ये डालने हैं अभी, इनसे बैंड आएंगे, और जब वो उस वे में डालते हैं तो बैंड आते नहीं है, जाते हैं। ओके तो ये आप बिल्कुल नेचुरल बोलो, नेचुरल। आप किसी नेटिव स्पीकर के साथ 1 घंटा बोलो, उनका एक बार मुंह से मोर ओवर या फर्दर मोर नहीं निकलेगा। समझ गए मेरी बात?
Yes.
Ma'am, I do have one question.
Yes.
So we should not include this kind of a connector in our cue card, or we should include them?
नो नो, बिल्कुल नहीं इंक्लूड करो।
Not even in cue card?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, वो
Okay.
ना अजीब लगता है, फोर्स्ड इन लगता है।
Maxi, madam.
ओके और
Madam,
हाँ जी,
how connecting the sentence if we are not using the over, however, moreover, we
मैं ना
need to
आपको
connect
एक वीडियो शेयर करूंगी, माय सन हैज टेकन दैट क्लास इन ग्रुप, और वो
Okay.
कनेक्टर्स आप में से शायद किसी ने सुनी भी होए वो क्लास कनेक्टर्स की। ही हैज मेड इट वेरी क्लियर कि जो कनेक्टर है ना वो इस वे में यूज करो कि वो स्टैंड आउट ना करे। You know, if it is standing out and it is putting attention on that word, then it is not a good connector. It is a forced in connector. You get my point?
Yes, ma'am. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, आपको मैं वो वीडियो शेयर करूंगी, मुझे रिमाइंडर दे देना ग्रुप में, मैं वीडियो शेयर करूंगी, उसको प्यार से देखना वीडियो को। पूरी
Okay,
क्लास ली हुई है उसने 1 घंटे की ऑन दैट, ऑन दोज कनेक्टर्स, एंड बहुत अच्छे से गाइड करा है, और बहुत स्टूडेंट्स ने वो वीडियो देख के कहा है कि अब हमारे कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो गए कनेक्टर्स वाले।
Okay, ma'am.
ओके राइटिंग में भी वो हेल्प करेगा आपको, और स्पीकिंग में भी हेल्प करेगा।
But we can use those connectors in writing, right?
No, you can see it is in
speaking.
both in writing and speaking, both वो अप्लाई होती है बात।
Yeah, but ma'am, everyone, like other says that to get more bands, you have to make your English quite complicated, like in writing. So it will gain.
It is a myth, MYTH, myth. ठीक है?
It should be formal.
It should be very simple. आज मेरी जिस बच्ची के 7 बैंड है राइटिंग में, जिस स्टूडेंट के 7 बैंड है राइटिंग में, उसने जब राइटिंग मेरे से फीडबैक शुरू करी थी, उसको 5.5 दिए थे मैंने, और वो हर गलती वो निकाल के अगली बार बोलती थी, मैम देखो मैंने वो गलती नहीं करी, और मैंने उसको 3-4 बार बोला है कि द वे यू लिसन टू माय फीडबैक्स, यू आर माय स्टार स्टूडेंट। ओके तो स्टार स्टूडेंट बोला, और अगली बार उसके फिर 5.5 थे, तो मेरे को कहती हो मैम योर स्टार स्टूडेंट हैज फेल्ड यू। मैं कहा नो नो नो, आई एम श्योर यू विल डू वेल इन योर एग्जाम्स बिकॉज यू आर वेरी रिसेप्टिव। आप हर मेरी गलती को ध्यान देते हो और अवॉइड करने की कोशिश करते हो, और अगर 5.5 बैंड आए भी हैं तो मुझे पता है आपके एग्जाम में नहीं आएंगे, और यहाँ पे 5.5 बैंड आए हैं उसको पॉजिटिवली लो, क्योंकि ये एग्जाम फाइनल नहीं है, आपको गलतियां पता चल रही हैं अपनी जो आपने वहां नहीं करनी है। एंड यू नो शी टुक इट नाइसली। आज उसका रिजल्ट आया, उसके राइटिंग में भी 7 है, स्पीकिंग में भी 7 है, और रीडिंग लिसनिंग में 7.5
So
7.5।
it is not necessary to use complicated connectors.
Not at all, not at all.
And
believe me. Okay.
Hard vocabs or anything.
No, nothing.
Make it formal and use.
No, you can write very good simple English and still get a 7.5.
Okay.
Okay. आपकी ग्रामर सही होनी चाहिए, आपकी कैपिटलाइजेशन एरर्स नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपके कॉमास फुल स्टॉप सही जगह पे लगे, आपके जो वर्ड्स यूज्ड हैं वो राइट वर्ड्स हो, एट द राइट प्लेस यूज हुए हो, चाहे सिंपल हो।
Okay. Now, actually, I have the problem in writing in that I don't get instant ideas like the examples. While
बेटे ideas के लिए there is no shortcut. You have to go through the essays and the topics.
Okay.
हाँ बोलो.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have 5.5 in writing only
हाँ.
and 6.5 in both speaking and listening. My writing is so pathetic now.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. आप राइटिंग में ना मेरे पास देखो, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बता रही हूँ. देयर इज अ स्टूडेंट, उसके 7.5 आए राइटिंग में, और उसके बाद उसने ना, उसको किसी और में कम रह गए तो उसको पेपर दोबारा देना था. राइटिंग में 7.5. शी गॉट होल्ड ऑफ ए टीचर, उसके 9 थे राइटिंग में, और उसने उसको गाइड किया, और उसने ना अगली बार उसने भर भर के वर्ड्स डाले और भर भर के इडियम्स डाले, और राइटिंग में 6. ओके. एंड देन शी अगेन केम टू मी कि मैम मैं क्या करूं. सुनो सुनो, फिर उसने मेरे पास आई, कहती मैम मैं क्या करूं, 7:30 के बाद 6 है, अब मैं क्या करूं. मैंने कहा जो आप कर रहे थे ना वो करना छोड़ दो. जो आपने 7:30 से ऊपर जाने के लिए करा वो करना छोड़ दो. अगली बार उसके फिर 7:30 थे. समझ गए. उसने वर्ड्स डाले तो क्या हो गया, उसने मेरे को भेजा वो राइटिंग. मैंने कहा ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे तू फोर्स इन कर रही है वर्ड्स, तो वर्ड्स के आसपास सेंटेंस बुन रही है. मुझे ये लगा कि ये वर्ड डालना है, कैसा सेंटेंस बनाओ कि ये वर्ड डल जाए, और वो उसके चक्कर में 7:30 से फॉल करी टू 6. गेट माई पॉइंट.
Yes, understood.
अंडरस्टूड. और मेरे पास इससे ज्यादा एग्जांपल्स हैं जिनके 5.5 राइटिंग में थे, वर्ड्स और कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस डाल के, और उनके बिना अगली बार 7 थे.
निराली
निराली के 5.5 थे राइटिंग में, 6.5 थे सिंपल लिख के अगली बार. और कह रही है मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही थी कि मेरे को कोई बता नहीं रहा था मैं गलतियां क्या करती हूँ. और 8 है उसके ओवरऑल इस बार.
मैम
हाँ
मैम एक टेंसेस समझ नहीं आता. हैव हैड का यूज बता दो जो इकट्ठा यूज करते हैं हम.
आई सी, उसमें एक हैव जो है वो हेल्पिंग वर्ब है, और दूसरा जो हैव या हैड है वो आई हैव हैड मेनी गुड डिनर्स इन माय लाइफ. तो हैड दूसरा है ना, वो ईटन का सब्स्टिट्यूट. आई हैव ईटन. ईटन थोड़ी बोलते हैं आप ईटन माय ब्रेकफास्ट, आप यही बोलते हो ना, आई हैव हैड माय ब्रेकफास्ट, मैं ब्रेकफास्ट खा चुकी हूँ.
ओके मैम.
तो दूसरा वर्ब नॉर्मल वर्ब है, और पहला वर्ब हेल्पिंग वर्ब है. वो 2 बार ऐसे थोड़ी लग रहा है. तो आई हैव हैड, आई हैव सीन, आई हैव विजिटेड, वो वही है. सेकंड वर्ब आपका है, नॉर्मल वर्ब है, रेगुलर. ठीक है ना. अब मेरी बात सुनो, अब मैं क्लास यहाँ पे एंड कर रही हूँ आज की, क्योंकि 1 घंटा 10 मिनट की हो गई. हाँ अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मैं अभी ये क्लास एक्सटेंड करती हूँ, फिर मैं ना आज वो प्रोसेस की क्लास कल या परसों ही लूंगी. ठीक है.
नहीं मैम, नहीं
हाँ, ठीक है. तो ये स्पीकिंग की फिर कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे ना अगले हफ्ते, फिर चल जाएगी. अब तो काफी हो गए हमारे कवर. ठीक है. 11:10 हो गए. इन जस्ट 5 मिनट्स वील गेट बैक फॉर द रीडिंग क्लास. रीडिंग क्लास है, उसके बाद अगर वो रीडिंग जल्दी खत्म हो गई तो वील डू द प्रोसेसेस टुडे.
मैम प्रोसेस कर रही है ना मैम.
प्रोसेस करवा रही हूँ, शायद करवा रही हूँ. आपका पेपर है ना, मुझे पता है. ओके. आप भी मेरे स्टार स्टूडेंट हो. ओके. हाँ, तो सारे मेरे स्टार स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो हार्ड वर्किंग है. ओके. ऑल आर माय स्टार स्टूडेंट्स, दोज हु आर हार्ड वर्किंग. और मैं
मैम आपकी बातें सुन के ना पढ़ने को सच में मन करता है. मैम मैं 40 ईयर एज हूँ, मेरा बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता. मेरे 2 बच्चे हैं, लेकिन जब मैं आपकी सुनती हूँ ना, मेरा सच में मन करता है कि मैं पढूं.
हाँ, मेरा तो बड़ा मन करता है. हम हॉल बना देते हैं पढ़ाई का. मेरे ऑफलाइन सेंटर में जाके देखो, पता है मेरे को बच्चों ने क्या क्या बोला. एक बार एक बच्चा बोलता है मैम, दूसरे सेंटर में लगे हुए थे, 2-2 मिनट बाद घड़ी देखते थे कब टाइम खत्म हो, कब घर जाएं, और आपके यहाँ सेंटर में आते हैं 9 बजे, कब 1 बज जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता.
यस मैम.
हॉल बना देते हैं ना हम पढ़ने, सारे एंजॉय करते हैं, और यही एम है. हाँ
Ma'am, I never had any enjoy. I never enjoyed my any class. It's been 3 to 4 years I have doing IELTS, but I never enjoyed my single class.
अभी एंजॉय कर
Even
रहे हो?
yesterday, yes, perfectly. This is also what I wanted to share yesterday only. Yesterday I first time attended your class, that was reading class. and today even I enjoyed more than that.
हाँ, तो अभी रीडिंग क्लास में गेट बैक करते हैं in
हेलो
just 5 minutes.
मैडम,
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
मेरा भी व्यू सुन लो.
हाँ, सुनो.
मैं अभी ऑफिस में बैठा हूँ, आपकी इस क्लास लेने के लिए अपना काम सारा छोड़ के बाद में करूँगा. पहले आपकी क्लास अटेंड करता हूँ. मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
See your such comments be going. बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. ठीक है, और मजा आता है. हाँ, बोलो.
मैम मेरे ना ये ऑफलाइन क्लास ज्वाइन बट जैसे पता चला आप ऑनलाइन क्लास लेते हैं आपकी क्लास.
चलो, गुड. चलिए, we'll get back in 5 minutes. ठीक है, 5 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
5 minutes में. Okay.
For GT reading, ma'am.